Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I am Ashwini Garg. Today I will discuss with you the topic of the class 11. The subject is business studies and today our topic is the business and introduction. It is the first part of our starting of our subject business studies, business and introduction. Firstly in business, various type of the activities are conducted with the help of the manpower, means human activity. Human activities are those activities which are conducted by manpower in any organization. कोई भी ऐसी एक्टिविटी जो बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के अंदर आपकी मैन पावर कंडक्ट करती है, उस एक्टिविटी को हम क्या बोलते हैं? ह्यूमन एक्टिविटी बोलेंगे। मींस आपकी जो ह्यूमन एक्टिविटी है उसमें किसी भी टाइप की मैन पावर हो सकती है, चाहे वो आपकी मैनेजर हो, चाहे वो आपके एम्प्लॉइज हो या वर्कर हो। Any activity which are conducted by a human resource in a business organization is known as the human activity. In business organization, buying and selling of goods conducted by employees, manager and worker, as well as to conducting various type of the activity for the social welfare by the human being. Then all the activities which are conducted by the manpower for earning money as well as for the social welfare is known as the human activity. Now the human activity can be divided into two parts: economic activity second one is non-economic activity. Means the activities which are divided into two parts, economic and non-economic. In economic activities, the mention with the name economic means it related to the money. Non-economic, the mention with the name that it is not related to money. Means any activity which are conducted for the social welfare is conducted in the non-economic activity. Economic activities are furtherly classified into three parts. First one is business, second one is profession, and third one is employment. These are the three parts of the economic activity. Means all three parts, all three activities which are measured in terms of money comes under the economic activity. I discuss with you economic and non-economic in detail. First, economic activity are those activities which are conducted with the objective of earning money. Any activity which are conducted in any organization with the objective of earning money is known as the economic activity. Means the main objective of the economic activity are to earning money. Like as cloth business, treatment by the doctor, various type of the activities like as the buying and selling of goods and service, comes under the economic activity. Every activity which can be measured in terms of money, the objective behind conducting the various type of the activity to earning money is known as the economic activity. Now the economic activity classified into three parts. First one is business, second one is profession, third one is employment. Now I discuss with you the first part, business. It refers to that economic activity which are conducted on a regular basis with the motive of profit earning by the exchange of goods and services. Means that business refers to that economic activity. Business आपकी एक economic activity है. Economic activities are those activity which are conducted for earning money, which are conducted on a regular basis. It is necessary for a business to conduct it on a regular basis with the motive of earning money. Means जिसका main motive profit earn करना है by the exchange of goods and services. Goods and service के exchange, ये कह सकते हो with the help of the production to converting the raw material into finished goods and buying and selling of goods and service. Business refers to that economic activity in which we convert the raw material into finished goods as well as buying and selling of goods and services on the regular basis with the earning of the profit motive. Means profit earn करने के लिए जो activities conduct की जाएंगी regular basis पर, it is known as the business. Now the second one is profession. Profession refers to that economic activity which are conducted by a person having some special knowledge and skill which is used impartially to serve the various section of society. Means profession आपके इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी है, conducting the activities for earning motive which are conducted by a person. All the activities which are conducted by a person, not by a single person, simple person, conducting all the activity by a person who have some special knowledge and skill which is used impartially to serve the various section of society. The person who have some special knowledge and skill, it is not condition, it is not necessary to serve a particular section of society. It provided service to the various section of society. It is necessary for a profession that to conducting various type of the activity with the service motive, but he cannot ignore to get money because profession is the economic activity. For example, for a particular doctor, it is the prior motive, chief motive for a doctor to treat the patient. The chief motive of a particular doctor to treat the patient, but after the treatment of the patient, it is necessary to receive his fees, getting money, because profession is the economic activity. The main motive behind the economic activity to earn money, to earn profit. So it is the profession. Now the third one is employment. It refers to that economic activity which is done by a person under others in lieu of getting remuneration thereof. It is also economic activity because it is the part of the economy conducting for earning money, which is done by a particular person conducting various type of the activities under others. Means in a business organization there are relation between the two party, employer and employee. The person who perform the various type of the task under the employer, then this type of the activity is known as the employment. In lieu of remuneration thereof, any activity which is conducted by the employee under his employer, providing his service for getting the remuneration. Remuneration can be in the form of salary, in the form of wages, in the form of commission. Any person who perform the mental work, who perform the mental task, getting the remuneration in the form of salary. Any person who perform the physical work like as labor, getting the remuneration in form of wages. And person who help us to increase the sale of a business organization, then a particular person get the commission on the basis of the increment of the sale. Means a salesman get the remuneration in the form of commission. So employment, profession, business is the part of the economic activity. Now the second part of the human activity is non-economic activity. It refers to that activity which is conducted not for earning money but the objective behind it to social welfare, psychological satisfaction. Any activity which are conducted not getting money, the objective behind of such type of activity is not earning money, but the objective behind such type of the activity to get the social welfare, to get the psychological satisfaction. It is necessary for the particular work. For example, for a particular religion, we give a charity and other form, as well as any task related to the social welfare. To help someone to cross the road, it comes under the non-economic activity. Means business and introduction, human activity. Human activities are those activities which are conducted by the manpower, which are conducted by the human being for earning money as well as the mental satisfaction. Human activity can be divided into two parts: economic activity and non-economic activity. Economic activities refer to those activities, the objective behind of conducting such type of activity to earning money, like as cloth business, lawyer, doctor. Non-economic activities refer to those activities, the objective behind of conducting such type of the activity only for the psychological satisfaction, not for earning money, like as the to cross, help someone to cross the road, and for conducting any type of the activity for the social welfare. I hope it's clear to you. Thanks. Have a nice day.